The contents of your presentation kit are one crystal clear bag, one piece of 1/8 inch foam board, a window mat that is cut out of 4-ply bright white board, a piece of Tyvek tape for hinging your mat board to your foam board, and 4 photo corners for attaching your artwork to the foam board. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is attach these 2 pieces. The foam can be in either direction, and it does help if you have another piece of mat board to put underneath to make these the same level. So I just put another piece of mat board underneath. One thing to make sure you do is have this part facing, the good side facing down onto the table. Very important. And I'm not going to do this, but what you do is you basically are going to peel your Tyvek tape. There's a backing on it, which will reveal the adhesive. And then you are going to adhere these 2 boards together, creating a nice seam. And once it's hinged, you will flip it over and it should be hinged to look like that and ready for you to put your print in. We have other videos about getting prints into a hinged mat, so for this one I'll just demonstrate why these are a nice investment. Really makes the artwork stand out. And then the bag, this is the back with the adhesive on it. So you're going to want to put it in this way. And then on this back here, you can peel this backing off, and then you can seal the flap closed, and you can open it and close it. It's resealable. And then your artwork is ready to put in a portfolio to show without it getting damaged, or for storage, or one popular thing is to sell these at fairs, because then it's ready for your customer to pop it in a frame and ready to go.